To add Calendly to your Wix site, start by logging into your Wix account and navigating to the editor for the site you want to add. Calendly 2. Calendly is a scheduling tool that allows clients to book appointments with you. And integrating it with your Wix site can streamline your scheduling process. First, create a Calendly account if you do not already have one, and set up your scheduling preferences. Once you have created your Calendly account, go to the Calendly dashboard and click on the Share button to get the Calendly link or embed code. Next, go back to your Wix site editor and click on the Add button on the top bar. Then select More and click on HTML iframe. This will allow you to embed the Calendly link into your Wix site. Enter the Calendly link or embed code into the HTML iframe, and adjust the size and position of the iframe to fit your site. You can also add Calendly as a button or link on your Wix site. To do this, click on the Add button and select Button. Then enter the Calendly link into the button settings. This will create a clickable button that clients can use to book appointments with you. To further customize the Calendly integration, you can use the Wix settings to adjust the appearance and behavior of the Calendly embed. For example, you can change the background color or add a border around the iframe. By following these steps, you can easily add Calendly to your Wix site and start scheduling appointments with clients. This integration can help you save time and increase productivity, and can also improve the client experience by providing a seamless and convenient way to book appointments. It is also important to test the Calendly integration to make sure it is working correctly. Check that the Calendly link or embed is displaying correctly on your site, and that clients can successfully book appointments using the Calendly tool. Overall, adding Calendly to your Wix site can be a valuable way to streamline your scheduling process and improve the client experience. With these steps, you can easily integrate Calendly into your Wix site and start enjoying the benefits of this powerful scheduling tool.